Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm here with Julio from Studio Suite. Julio, how are you doing today?
Hey, doing great. It's awesome being here. Thanks for having me here, Alicia.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for being here. So in this video, we're going to be talking a little bit just about what Studio Suite is. So my first question for you is, when was Studio Suite created and why?
So, Studio Suite was created about 22 years ago by Joel Stoner. Just to tell you a little bit about his background, Joel Stoner has been involved in music production and in the record industry for a long time, and he has some big accolades. He's been recording some big name artists in Hollywood for a while. And so that's kind of where Studio Suite stems from. He noticed a need in the industry. There was really not any product available that would take care of the workflow needs for pre-production, production, or post-production facilities. So he started working on this solution and developed it with other industry peers over the time. And that's how Studio Suite was born.
Wow. Well, I think that sounds like it's an amazing software, so I'm excited to jump in and learn a little bit more about that. All right, so my next question for you then is, what makes Studio Suite different from any other resource management software out there?
So one of the things that makes Studio Suite different is that it's created specifically with studio managers, engineers, producers, and creative people in mind. This kind of ties in with the question that you asked earlier. So it's still created for these facilities so they can keep organized, they can schedule people and have everything in one location.
So my next question then is, what are some of the main tools that you offer to help studio managers stay organized and keep their customer satisfaction ratings at an all-time high?
Absolutely. So that comes in terms of contact management, of course. So Studio Suite does have a CRM aspect built into it. Then you can organize your rooms and your bookings. It also has scheduling modules available so that you can schedule your engineers, your editors. You can also communicate with your prospects if you're selling a type of service or product. You can keep track of the companies that you're working with. You can create budgeting, proposals, invoicings, and after that, of course, you can create usage utilization summaries so that you can give out to leadership or your stakeholders.
Awesome. So how does Studio Suite stay relevant and continue to innovate and change as the industry is changing? How do you guys do that?
Yeah, that's a good point. So nowadays, with computers and technology advancing at such a high speed rate, we definitely need to keep our ear out in the industry. So first of all, I guess most of us that work with Studio Suite were involved in recording, video production. So that's a first-hand experience. And other than that, and most importantly, we listen to our customers. So we send out regular surveys asking our customers, what's working well for you? What tools would you like to see in the next version? What can we improve? How can we make your workflow and your experience better so that it's conducive to bigger productivity, pretty much. It's all about productivity.
All right, Julio, thank you so much for telling me a little bit more about Studio Suite and how helpful it can really be to those studio managers. And if you are a studio manager and this sounds like a perfect software for you and what you're looking for, you can contact Studio Suite to find out more. You can call them at the numbers on the screen, send an email to sales@studiosuite.com, or you can visit them online at studiosuite.com to find out more information and also to sign up for a free 30-day trial. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow them on social media. Thanks so much, Julio.
Thanks for having me, Alicia.